What if every factory in the world stopped automation tomorrow? Production lines would grind to a halt, shipments would be delayed for weeks. Without robots, sensors, and smart systems, humans would be left to pick up the slack, working longer hours, making human error, and risking more injuries. The ripple effects would be massive. Cars wouldn't roll off the assembly line, electronics would be delayed for months, even food production would slow down, creating shortages worldwide. Now let's flip the switch. With automation, conveyor belts run nonstop. Robotic arms weld and assemble with precision. High-speed cameras inspect thousands of products every minute. And smart sensors keep everything flowing seamlessly. And automation doesn't replace humans, it empowers them. Engineers design, operators program, and technicians maintain the systems. Machines handle the repetitive and dangerous tasks so people can focus on innovation. Automation just isn't about efficiency, it's become the backbone of modern manufacturing. For more on electronics or engineering, make sure to visit eevids.com.